Ribbon. So there is no command prompt in Fusion 360. Everything is done by invoking a tool. So across the top here, this is the ribbon. And in the ribbon, some of them, not all, but some have a little downward pointed extended menu. So here are the extended items in the create part of the ribbon. So, and I can come over here to the modify things in the ribbon. And these tools in the ribbon will change depending on what workspace I'm in. So if I change workspaces, my actual tools in the ribbon will update. All right. So the ribbon is an area where we can invoke the tools from in a long bar that changes depending on our workspace.